So share this with a friend if you or that friend would like to get your very own Igbo name, right? So if you, like Cynthia, who did an African ancestry DNA test, would like to know what your name would be if you were Igbo, if you were Nigerian, let me know in the comment section down below. Also hit me up on my Instagram DM. That way we can actually communicate and you can let me know some personality traits about you. And then I can use those personality traits, talk to people about them and say, this is what this person's Igbo name would be, right? So let me know down in the comment section down below. Let me know what you think about this series. And yeah, if you are Igbo, let me know as well, and I can highlight your name on the next Igbo name of the day. So I appreciate you guys showing me some love in the comment section or hitting that like button. It's free. Thank you for watching this video, and all of your engagement goes a really long way, so I really appreciate it. Thanks a lot, guys. Take care, and I will see you in the next video.